Hey guys, I'm Ben Sessions. I've tried to use these videos to talk about practice pointers and to talk about things that I see going on with solo and small practitioners in their practices and some of the things that I see younger lawyers having to deal with in their attempt to develop their practice and develop their businesses. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about what I perceive to be as a problem in the way that younger lawyers are marketing themselves, in the way that they're portraying themselves to other people in the community, particularly on social media and that type of thing. Um, Sorry, my daughter's riding her bicycle right outside the window. So what I see in that process is that a lot of people have the idea that younger lawyers have to fake it until they make it. So they put themselves out there on social media in whatever form that they're using for their marketing, put themselves out there on their website, and they have to make it as though they're more qualified than what they are, and they have to make it as though they have more experience in terms of wins and trials and that sort of thing than they do. Quite honestly, I think that you have a very real value proposition, your selling point, as a young lawyer without very much experience that you can market without overstating your qualifications. And if a client's not bright enough to understand that, first, because you don't have a heavy caseload, you can invest a heck of a lot more time in their case and work a heck of a lot harder on their case and give it everything that you've got in a way that a lawyer who has 15 more years experience and is quite honestly probably pretty tired from this practice a little bit and has a lot heavier caseload will not be able to. And I'll tell you that outworking people and spending time on things in a way that that other people may not be willing to is extremely valuable. And in a lot of cases, just being fact intensive and knowing the facts of a case better than the other party is enough in a lot of cases to get you a really good result. Spending time on your cases is extremely valuable, and any client who can't understand why it is that the young lawyer may be able to do that and may be able to actually deliver a better result in their case as a result of it is missing the point. That all being said, obviously there's some value to having a lawyer who's tried 50 DUI cases. Obviously there's some value to having a lawyer who's gone to 50 jury trials. And having had that experience gives you a sense of calmness about the process that you just can't have whenever you're first starting. That's okay. You don't need to oversell yourself. And you don't need to overstate those things in your practice. You'll get there with patience and doing it over and over again over some time. But don't mislead clients along the way. There's really no reason to. If a client needs that sort of assurance, well then, hey, just let them know. I'm sure you can find someone that's been doing this a heck of a lot longer than me that's going to charge you, if they're good, if they're qualified, 2 to 3 times as much as I do. So whenever those clients come in, you know, there's a lawyer for them, and you'll eventually be that lawyer. You don't need to be it right now. If you have any questions about this idea, or if you have comments about it, feel free to comment below. My name is Ben Sessions. My phone number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.